drive. That's nice. That sound never gets old. And some new front tires, absolute must. Back home safe, took the dust off, took off the cobwebs. Now we're gonna go for a spin on this one. Now before you click off, please watch this video, give this car a shot. Trust me, it's an amazing car. You guys will love the sounds that it makes. You're gonna love the way the power comes on. Just give this car a shot, you guys. Watch this video, please. Now I know most of you probably clicked on this video because of the Supra POV, but let me give you a little bit of background information about these cars, which is the 03 and 04 Terminator Cobra. So these cars actually came from the factory with a forged engine, forged pistons, rods, crank. I mean, basically you can make a shit ton of power on the factory engine. I'm actually still running the factory short block on this car. It's been making north of 800 horsepower for over 10 years. So, you know, this is a really amazing car. I like to refer to it as the American Supra just because of how stout they are. tires. That's not even high boost, you guys. These cars are nasty. Now factory, they do come supercharged with an Eaton supercharger. I actually did that setup for a good while. It was a ported Eaton supercharger. Then I did a 3.4 Whipple Crusher supercharger, which was absolutely nasty. But then I got tired of the belt slip, heat soaking issues, and that's when I went twin turbo. And this is by far my most favorite setup. Super smooth, you guys. I'm telling you, that's not even a high boost pull. This car is really bad. A lot of people sleep on them. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Now one thing I will tell you guys is that this car being twin turbo, it does quiet the car down significantly compared to what it used to be, and also compared to the Supra, right? I mean, the Supra is really loud, right, with the open wastegate, the exhaust. I mean, it's just overall a loud car. This will surprise you because by the time you're realizing it, you're pegging that speedo, and the sound is very deceiving, and the way the car feels, it's very, very smooth. I mean, it is picking up speed and the car is just cruising like a Cadillac. It's getting really cold. It's like 40 something degrees out today. But y'all check this out. You can have 900 horsepower on tap, dude. And look at that, with the windows down, 6th gear, bro, you can't hear nothing. Super chill. Like, I could daily drive this car if I really wanted to. Love this car so much, man. You guys, I know that most of the attention on my channel is towards the Supras, but y'all really got to check out the content that I have for this car. And we're back home safe and sound once again. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I just really, whenever I'm doing these POVs, I always think about it like, man, you know, I know they enjoy the Supra, but I really wish they would understand just how amazing this car is. Now, for those who stuck around and watched this all the way through, please let me know, drop me a comment. What are your thoughts about this car? I completely understand and respect if you love the Supra more, but tell me what you think about this car based on, you know, based on what you saw in this video, maybe what you've seen in previous videos. I would love to get y'all's input because I feel that this car here is kind of in the shadows. A lot of people say that this car is in the shadows of this, which I understand. My channel was founded on the Supra, right? But let me know. Now, I really hope you guys have had a happy New Year's, and I wish you all nothing but the best in this 2025 year. You know, whether, you know, you guys are trying to better yourself, or you're trying to buy a car, better yourself financially, for your job, I wish you nothing but the best. Y'all go get it, man. Y'all got this. Later.